Gotta feed the birds. Come on, birds. Come and get it. So, today is the first time I'm going to use the garage setup for its intended purpose. Yeah, it's raining right now. I set up sort of like a little makeshift skate park in my garage for these very situations. And today, I'm going to try it out for the first time. Yeah, this thing here is an obstacle I built based on the Keen Ramps flat stick. I call it the Crippler 53 because it's 5 feet 3 inches long, and it's gonna cripple me before I turn 53. You know, it can be sketchy. It's pretty gnarly at times when you fall on it. Really heavy duty steel rectangular tubing, pretty slippery. But I just ride it like a little quarter in here. I don't slide on it much, but when I feel more comfy on my board, I'll try some more slidey tricks. But let's see, I put these pins in the ground. I drilled holes with a masonry bit, put these pins in there, these rods, got one at each end, set it on top of those, and yeah, it doesn't move. It works pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. That was rough. Holy shit. Got my arm down though. Fuck. Could have been disastrous. It wasn't so bad. Stay away from those for a bit. I tap out. That's it. Quitting for today. Yeah, I had a hard slam there towards the end. Landed right on my ribs on the coping, but my wrist guard saved me. Landed on my hand, so it didn't get me that good. But yeah, I mean, I don't want to push myself too much. I've been back 1 month skating from a 33-year break. I mean, I think I skated 4 times in that 33-year break, like 4 attempted sessions. And yeah, so I gotta take it slow. I gotta build some stability on my board. But anyways, pretty good session. Got some progress. That's it for today.